Hello dear students. So today we will discuss internal resistance of a cell and what are the factors on which the internal resistance of a cell depends upon. So first of all we will write this definition. Internal resistance of a cell. So I am making one diagram here. Suppose this is a cell and two electrodes are immersed in this electrolytic solution, and these are the two rods. Let us, this is A and this is rod B, and this is the external resistance connected to the two electrodes, and this is small r is the internal resistance of a cell. Okay, so this is the electrolytic solution. So now we will see what is the internal resistance of a cell. The resistance offered by the electrolyte, the resistance offered by the electrolyte of a cell to the flow of current, means जो करंट फ्लो कर रहा था उसको रोका इस इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन ने. That's why I have written here the resistance offered by the electrolyte of a cell to the flow of current is called internal resistance of a cell, is called internal resistance of a cell. Suppose these two rods are separated by some distance. Okay, so let us, this distance is D. So this distance is D, and these are the two rods. I am marking here red color. This is a one electrode and this one is the second electrode. So what are the factors on which the resistance or internal resistance of a cell depends upon? So we will write here factors on which resistance of a cell depends upon. Internal resistance of a cell depends upon. So first is, we can say, first factor is internal resistance of a cell is directly proportional to the concentration of the electrolytes. It is directly proportional to the concentration of the electrolyte. Second one means यहाँ पे इसकी कितनी concentrations हैं जो electrolyte आपने यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. And second one is it is directly proportional to the separation between the we can say electrode, कि आपस में ये जो इलेक्ट्रोड हैं इनके बीच की कितनी डिस्टेंस है. Also it is inversely proportional to the area immersed in the electrolyte, कि इसमें कितना एरिया इमर्स किया हुआ है, इस ये जो एरिया है इसका रोड का, ये कितना एरिया इसमें इमर्स किया हुआ है. ठीक है. एंड नंबर 4, दिस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीजेस, जो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस इट डिक्रीजेस, आर जो है डिक्रीजेस, इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीजेस विथ increase in temperature. Internal resistance increases with decrease in temperature. Internal resistance increases with decrease in temperature. So there are 5 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one we can also write. We can say we will find its relation, that is this value of R, that is E by V minus 1 into capital R. So first we will discuss terminal potential difference. So terminal potential difference is that when current is being drawn from the cell, that is known as terminal potential difference. And EMF is when no current is being drawn from the cell. मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको. जैसे मान लो आपको किसी दोस्त के ऊपर गुस्सा आ गया, तो आपने इसको मारना चाहा लेकिन आपने कंट्रोल कर लिया, तो दैट इज योर EMF व्हेन नो करंट इज बीइंग ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेल. आपके हाथ से कोई आपने किसी को नहीं मारा, लेकिन दूसरे वाले फ्रेंड ने आपको थप्पड़ मार दिया, स्लैप कर दिया, तो उसने अपना पोटेंशियल दिखा दिया. तो दैट इज व्हेन करंट इज बीइंग ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेल, दैट इज V, terminal potential difference. And E is when no current is being drawn from the cell. जब करंट ड्रॉ नहीं हुआ सर्किट से, that is EMF. So we will discuss here that by definition of work done, by definition of EMF, that is this is EMF, work done by the cell in carrying a unit charge along the closed circuit. That is means जो work done किया in carrying the charge from along the closed circuit, यहाँ से external resistance लेके internal resistance from A rod to B and B rod to A electrode to B and B electrode to A. So this is the definition, work done by the cell. EMF की definition बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको. Work done by the cell in carrying a unit charge along the closed circuit, that is equal to work done in carrying the charge against the external resistance A to B, that is V, and work done in carrying the charge against the internal resistance, that is from B to A, that is V dash. They both are potential. This is across R, and this is across internal resistance of a cell. जो आपका इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है उसका जो रेजिस्टेंस है, that is now we will from Ohm's law we can write from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Then we will substitute the value of this, and also we can write here V dash, and V dash is equal to I small r, current into resistance across this electrolyte या electrolytic solution. So on substituting the value of this, work done against resistance R external, that is IR, plus work done against the internal resistance from B electrode to A electrode inside the cell, that is IR, that is I into capital R into small r. So here you can write I is equal to E upon R plus R. ये देख सकते हैं आप, यहाँ पे हमने करंट फाइंड आउट कर लिया, दैट इज E by R plus R. Now potential, you can write here potential V is equal to IR. I we have find out from Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. Then V is equal to I, we have find out this, that is E by R plus small r into capital R. So this is the value of V is equal to IR. I is this and R is this one. So we can find from relation E is equal to V plus V dash, and V is equal to E minus V dash. So we can write here, we can write its value, that is V is equal to E minus IR, because V dash is equal to IR, potential across internal resistance. Then V is equal to, we have to find out I, so this is IR is equal to E minus V, and R is equal to E minus V by I. Now we have to substitute the value of I, that is V upon R, and small r is equal to E minus V by V upon R, and you can also write this E minus V by V into capital R. So this is the expression for internal resistance of a cell, E minus V by V into R. So this is the expression, or you can also write, or you can also write this E by V minus 1 into R. So this was about the relation between टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, ईएमएफ एंड इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए सेल। सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि व्हाट आर द फैक्टर ऑन विच द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए सेल डिपेंड्स अपॉन, टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होता है, और हमने इस रिलेशन को फाइंड आउट कर लिया। अभी हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे।